What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we're gonna take a trip to St. Mary. We have for you a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house that is 20 minutes from Ocho Rios, 3 minutes from the Ian Fleming's Airport, and 5 minutes from James Bond Beach. The exact location for this property is Seaview Close, Boscobel, St. Mary. It is currently priced at Jamaican 38 million or US $245,000. The land area of this property is 6,000 square feet. This property is an excellent opportunity for living and earning at the same time. Downstairs has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living, dining, and washroom. Upstairs has a 1-bedroom unit with kitchenette, bathroom, and washroom. There is also another 2-bedroom unit which is currently rented. It has kitchen, bedroom, washroom, and huge veranda. Each unit has its own water and GPS meter. Now let's take a look at the home. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.